Well, hi, this is Custom Works, and I'm Clint Allen. In the comments section, and now that YouTube has got my comments section working properly, I'm actually able to catch most of the comments and actually answer. But beyond that, one thing comes up a lot, and it's something that I normally stay away from because it's a big can of worms. Well, I'm going to open up that can of worms today and show you what I use. And I've mentioned it in the past, but I'm going to show you what I use, why I use it, and why it is the best oil to use, and additives in the 7.3. One question before we get going that I want you to ask yourself, no matter what oil that you're using, why are you using it? Ask yourself, why did I choose that oil? Now, if you've seen some of these oil tests where they take the bearing and they run it up against the turning spindle, not a big believer in that. Yeah, it gives you some criteria, but in the end, no part of your engine actually rubs metal to metal. Yeah, hold off on the cylinder thing. Those rings are designed and made out of a different type of metal in comparison to the block. But overall, the bearings are set up to have just that little bit of flow that's in there. So the oil is being pumped through, and it's just spinning away whatever part of the motor that it's in. So nothing actually rubs metal to metal, and that's why I'm not a big fan of that test. Something for you to think about. But before we get going here, let me show you this here to start proof in the pudding.
Your equipment is the engine that keeps your business running. And when it comes to that engine, Schaefer is first in making it last. All of these components come from engines with over 1 million miles, equipment running up to 20,000 hours and beyond. The one thing they all have in common? Schaefer's high-performance lubricants. This MTU 4000 12-cylinder diesel engine has gone over 20,600 hours with extended drain intervals without an overhaul. Serviced exclusively with Schaefer's friction-modified lubricants, the lack of wear throughout the engine is impressive. From the fuel injector to the camshaft, pistons, rocker arm assemblies, rollers, and bearings, there's virtually no scoring, sludge, or oxidized oil.
Schaefer Manufacturing Company has been formulating and blending quality lubricants since 1839. These state-of-the-art oils and greases are engineered to reduce friction while extending lubricant life 2 to 3 times over conventional products. These case histories show performance you can measure at the bottom line. The engine of this unit was also overhauled at the same time. Superior base oils and additives in Schaefer's 15W40 Supreme 7000 gave outstanding results even after 24,477 hours of operation. A worm injector lobe on one end of the camshafts of this Cat 3508 was the result of improper adjustment. Still, the valve lobes looked like new. The pistons and rod bearings were photographed after removal. The cleanliness of the piston crowns and skirts are a result of Schaefer's detergency chemistry. With over 24,000 operating hours, these rod bearings show very little evidence of wear. Schaefer's patented additive Penitro reduces wear and improves fuel economy. Main bearings are designed to be the wear element that protects the crankshaft. Note the minimal wear exhibited on these main bearings. These results are due to the superb lubricity of Schaefer's products. This is the actual crankshaft from the 3508 Cat. This component is in immaculate condition and shows very minimal wear. The journal surfaces and rod throws were measured, and the crankshaft was tested and found to still be within Caterpillar's specifications for reuse with standard bearings. This crankshaft was reused at a savings of over $14,000. The liner bores were in excellent shape and still exhibit some of the original crosshatch pattern. Just the mere fact that the crosshatch patterns are still visible exhibits that Schaefer's fluids reduce wear, cause less friction, and extended component life with increased fuel economy. This is the cylinder head as it was removed from the engine. No carbon or soot buildup, and the valves and seats are in like-new condition. The lack of carbon buildup on the head shows that the rings have maintained a secure seal, allowing little or no oil to enter the combustion chamber. The valve guides obviously have minimal wear as well. Schaefer's diesel fuel additives help engines burn fuel more efficiently and more cleanly, resulting in less fuel costs and more power. Note the original cat numbers are still visible on the valve faces. That is amazing for a unit with over 24,000 operating hours. The pistons are free from sludge and carbon, and the rings are free in the ring land area, an area that often fills with sludge and carbon and eliminates freedom of ring movement. The detergency of Schaefer's Supreme 7000 reduces oil consumption and keeps engine components operating properly. Exhaust ports are also free of carbon and soot deposits. This cleanliness demonstrates the reduced oil consumption and proper burning of fuel. The thermal and oxidative stability of the base oils Schaefer blends in our engine oil products promote the elimination of sludge and oil residue. The engine block interior shows no visible sludge or residue. Our proprietary detergent and dispersant additives work in tandem to maintain the cleanest engine interior conditions possible while extending the engine's drain intervals. The thermal and oxidative stability of Schaefer's base oils reduce sludge and oil residue. Even engines with high mileage benefit from Schaefer's unique blend of base oils and additives. This million-mile engine was not overhauled. With average drain intervals of over 54,000 miles, the owner of this C16 Cat engine credits Schaefer products with better profitability and longer equipment life. These main and rod bearings are the originals installed from the factory. During this disassembly, they were replaced with over 1 million miles on them. This reduced wear and increased life are attributed to the exceptional base oils and additives used in Supreme 7000. Schaefer uses only the highest quality diesel engine oil additives available in the marketplace, and those additives help to keep these crankshaft journals and rod bearing surfaces in like-new condition. Note the exceptional cleanliness of the block interior. There is no visible sludge or residue in this area. The exhaust manifold was removed only to provide access to the exhaust ports. Even after more than 1 million miles, you can still see the original casting marks. The absence of carbon buildup shows there was no wasted oil consumption, and the lack of soot demonstrates that fuel was efficiently burned in this engine. The turbocharger was not replaced or resealed on this unit. This speaks volumes to the quality of this lubrication product. The rocker covers and oil pan upon removal are free of oil sludge and residue. This is due to Schaefer's quality detergency additives and base oils that experience little to no oxidation. Even after 1 million miles, the oil pan is remarkably clean and free of sludge. Engines with 1 million miles are rare. Injectors with 1 million miles are unheard of. These injectors were evaluated and found to be within specification for reuse. Quite a testament to the lubricity and cleaning agents in Schaefer's.
This 5.4-liter Ford engine has seen over 1 million miles using Schaefer oil. Notice the lack of buildup on the cylinder head and walls, the remarkably clean oil pan, the oil pump that still looks and feels like new. Even the original manufacturing marks still clearly visible on the bearings. Little to no wear after 1 million miles. With results like these, Schaefer synthetic engine oils, high-performance hydraulic fluids, greases, gear lubes, and fuel additives keep workhorse equipment running and even looking like brand new for dependable service year after year after year. When it comes to your equipment, discover why Schaefer is first in making it last.
So there you go. This is part 1. Next part, we're going to cover additives and actual factual oil analyses. Just not coming out right today. Anyways, here's my challenge to you, all right? Down in the description below is going to take you to a website. You can order yourself a free oil analysis kit. Yes, you'll have to pay for the oil analysis, but they'll send you the kit for free. Take your oil at the oil change, send that in, have them do the oil analysis on it. Then change your oil 2 times, because we know there's oil left in the 7.3 at an oil change. So change it 2 times with the Schaefer 1540. On the second oil change, when you're going to go into your third oil change, take a sample, send that in. It's going to be money well spent. You're going to get it back, and you'll be able to go through what I'm using, meaning you, and the Schaefer product. And you will see a substantial, maximum difference between the two. Guaranteed. Now, food for thought also. Everybody who is with the 7.3 community knows that we have Diesel Tech Ron, we have Bill Hewitt of PowerStrokeHelp.com. All of them, too, have said Schaefer oil is the oil that you should be using. And those two, in some of their videos, Ron on one of them, and I know Bill on 3 of them, had showed actual engine teardowns showing that you can still see the crosshatches, everything that the Schaefer commercial had just shown, the quality of that oil. Schaefer is in business. They're one of the first people in that oil business, and they said, we are just going to do the absolute top best oil product that there is available on the market. So there's my challenge. Get your free test kits, change your oil, jump over to Schaefer's, get that also then, oil analysis, and start comparing the difference to prove to yourself Schaefer's is the best way to go and the longest longevity to get out of the 7.3. Sludge. Get a lot of comments. Well, you know, I'm not quite sure about your video about, you know, debunking the high pressure oil pump reserve. You know, I changed my oil and it's still black in there. Well, first off, you got to take, you know, we're talking 20, 30-year-old trucks here. Take it apart, clean it first off, and quit using crap oil and crap oil filters, and we'll cover oil filters too. All those years of buildup, you don't know what the previous owner did. Even if you're the original owner, you still have all those years of buildup. Where when you're using Schaefer's, I can guarantee that that buildup will not happen in that reserve. They have a very, very excellent package within that oil that prevents that from happening. So we'll see you in part 2. So that being said, don't miss part 2. We're going to get down and dirty into the technical information and the proof in the pudding on paper. So I hope you've learned something today, and you take it easy and you have a good day.
Can you believe some of the stunts you've seen in our competitors' commercials? Boy, I guess it goes to show you what years of frustration will do. Because for the last 12 years, Ford has built the best-selling truck in America, Ford F-150. Ford also builds the best-selling compact pickup, Ford Ranger. So if you want stunts, go see a movie. But if it's America's #1 trucks you want, do yourself a favor. See your local Ford dealer today. Can you believe the bullshit Chevy's putting in their spots lately? Fucking A. I guess it goes to show you what years of frustration will do. Because for the last 12 years, Ford has built the best-selling truck in America, Ford F-150. Ford also builds the best-selling compact pickup, Ford Ranger. So if you want fucking stunts, see a fucking movie. But if it's America's #1 trucks you want, it's on Chevy. Go see your Ford dealer now.